Yeah, thank you, Kavya. Uh, and yes, absolutely, that's the best salutation for Independence before Independence Day. So, first of all, my compliments to the entire Cafe Mutual team for organizing such a fabulous investment marathon for all the investors which are there. And in these times of social distancing, you have put the best of the investment minds and the investors together on this platform. So my sincere compliments to Mr. Prem Khatri and the entire Cafe Mutual team, and thanks for inviting me to share, some thoughts on mutual funds and how simple solutions are available on the mutual fund. Uh, what I'll do is I'll just share my presentation. Yeah. So at the inaugural session, Prem talked about three key aspects which are very important from an investor perspective and have outcomes on their financial outcomes. Uh, of course, one he talked about knowledge, skills, and temperament. And taking that context setting, today I'm going to share very simple, smart mutual fund solutions with you, which can help you improve your financial outcomes and also at the similar time can help you actually in your journey to achieve financial independence. So here we go. And we all know in our life we have multiple goals to achieve, but mutual fund has solutions for all the goals, whether they are short term, medium term, or long term goals. So we'll talk about some of these smart solutions as we move forward in our journey. SIP, we all know about SIP, and uh, at this point of time, I'm sure a lot of you have already have your SIPs which are running, and they are linked to their goals. You have your goals, but do you know that your SIPs have become actually much more smarter now? So if you look at your SIPs today, you have a lot of other features which are available which you can use in your SIP. So if you look at, they comes with now booster facilities or the SIP top up facilities which they are known. So that means you can, while at the start of your career, maybe you have started an SIP of 10,000 rupees, but as your income increases, with increase in your income levels, you can actually increase your SIP amount. The same SIP in the same fund, you can increase your SIP amount and you can achieve your goals much faster. They also come there with a facility now that you can actually name your investments, and you can, whether it is for a goal, and you can name that goal, whether it is in terms of your child education or your retirement, or it is for your dream home, means you can name that goal. And once that account statement comes to you, you will see that you will be able to track that against your goal, what is the kind of value which you have in your SIP amount. The benefit is definitely there is a dil ka rishta which you create with all these goals, and that from a behavioral aspect, I think you stay much more committed to your goals when you have that dil ka rishta with all those goals. So you can use these facilities which are available in your smart SIPs now. A lot of times, yes, there are contingency needs, there are some short-term priorities, and there are some cash flow situation which comes in for with each one of us. Means there is no need to stop. You can pause your SIPs, and after that short-term period, again the same SIP can be continued. So there is no need to stop, and you can have perpetual SIPs now. So there is no need to get an SIP for 3 years and then again renew it. You can continue to have perpetual SIPs meet. Once the goals are being met, then you can look at the next goals and you can look at the action at that point of time. So your SIPs have become much more smarter. A lot of times, yes, markets are volatile. You have been listening to a lot of market experts, and I think everybody is talking about the same thing, that yes, markets are unpredictable. You cannot predict the markets, and market will continue to be volatile. That's the nature of the market, and that's the reason that okay, we create wealth out of that volatility. So volatility is good, and but a lot of times we are confused that okay, how do we invest? Whether I should invest my entire lump sum right now, or should I invest it through a STP approach, which is a systematic transfer plan. So here, if you look at in terms of the mutual fund, there are solutions like even variable transfer plan, which you can use, which are smart solutions. They give you the benefit of staggered investment. At the same times, they actually benefit out of the volatility. So what they do, so when the markets are down, they not only invest like an STP, but they invest more. And when they invest more, you actually buy more units. And here we have explained it through an example. So if you look at in this example, clearly when 60,000 rupees has been invested in 12 installments in STP format, in a VTP format, the number of units in VTP is much higher than the STP, and therefore you acquire much higher units, and therefore your value of your investments will be much higher. So this is another smart way and smart solutions which you can use in your while investing in mutual funds. Yes, a lot of times we want to invest, but at the same times we want some kind of control. We want them to be, we want to book the profits at certain levels. We want some kind of systematic profit booking, so we want to conserve the gains. That is what which we want. But when markets are up, we all believe that okay, no, markets will go further up. So we never are been able to practice that kind of systematic profit booking in our investments. When the markets are at a lower level, okay, we want to invest in, but clearly our emotions comes into play. And I think we have discussed that yesterday also. One of the speakers had talked about the behavioral biases, and this is one of the challenges which we have, which clearly impact our outcomes, which clearly impact our investor returns for our investments. So what is the solution? The solution is that you can use triggers, and these triggers can help you control your emotions. So for example, if you are looking at systematic profit booking and you want to conserve the gains, you can put a trigger. So let's say there is a 25% of trigger which you have instructed to the mutual fund company while giving that application form, or by submitting while investing your initial investment. Every time that 25% gain is there, it will move to a fund of which you have indicated to them, a fund of your choice. So within that same fund house, between two products, it will continuously keep on booking your profits, and you will be able to conserve your gains continuously. So in the similar times, you can use the triggers on the basis of index also. So on the basis of the index value, let's say every 5% when the index is down, I want to invest more. So therefore, again, you have funds maybe in a liquid fund, and once you put a trigger from a liquid fund, with every 5% gain, it will move to an equity fund of your choice. So these are triggers facilities which are available, smart choices which you can use to control your investments. And once you have given that instruction, you need not to worry about it, because you have already given the instructions and emotions will not come into play. So we all know about in March, when the market was down, but how many of us had the courage to invest at those levels? So while there was a discount sale in the market, but we could not. So through these triggers facilities, we can actually invest in the markets and can actually have control over our emotions. Again, we all have requirements in terms of our expenses are fixed per month, but there are a lot of us for whom the salaries are not fixed. Maybe there are a lot of professionals, they work on projects. There are a lot of business people, they have their own volatility in the business. There are a lot of housewomen, they are looking at regular cash flows. There are a lot of people who have retired, they are looking at regular cash flow for their expenses. So the expenses are fixed, but the income is not fixed. So what is the solution? So here is the solution, which we call as a systematic withdrawal plan. The way you use SIP to accumulate for a long-term goal, for a medium-term goal, you can actually use mutual fund SWP solutions for which are regular withdrawals, which are systematic withdrawal plans, and which will give you a fixed, you can decide about the fixed cash flow which you want. And we have tried to explain it with an example also here. So for example, if you look at in this example, there is an investment of 10 lakhs which has been done by the investor, and the investor is looking at 8% cash flow. and these are very tax efficient. We have, from an illustration perspective, assumed a growth rate of 12%, and you can clearly see that while he has invested 10 lakh rupees, after a year he has actually, his capital is more than, he has grown by more than 10 lakh rupees, and at the same time there is a withdrawal of 80,000 rupees which has happened, which is about 6,667 rupees per month. And if you look at in terms of the taxation, it is also tax friendly and tax effective. So these are very, very powerful smart solutions which can give you, which can help you in terms of your regular cash flows, and can create a second salary for you, a second income for you, a regular cash flow for you, and you can decide depending upon your requirement what is the cash flow which you need from these investments. I'm sure all of you would be knowing about it, but again, these are the smart solutions which are available. While we all want to save taxes, but you save tax with the pride, invest in the ELSS schemes. These are the schemes which will, if you look at from any kind of traditional scheme, tax saving schemes, they score very well. They have a minimum lock-in period of 3 years, and clearly, if you look at, they invest in equity, so you clearly benefit with the growth opportunities which are available. So they reduce their tax liability, they give you potential growth opportunity, and they come with the lowest lock-in period among all the traditional tax saving products which are available. So tax saving be, and they give you the growth also. We all witnessing today, this black swan event, and these are unknown events. Nobody knows about those kind of events, but yes, they can, if they happens, you require a suraksha chakra in terms of your investment. Now where that suraksha chakra from the for investments can come in, it is through your emergency fund which can come in. And therefore I think people are realizing today, and there is much more realization today in these times, the need of the emergency fund. These are very simple solutions which are available. Must for each one of us that we start an SIP in a liquid funds or a ultra short term funds, so that we create a corpus of at least 6 to 12 months of our living expenses. If any such kind of black swan event happened, any such kind of unknown event happened, so that kitty is available for us for our living needs, and we don't have to touch our core investments at that point of time. And then it gives us a lot of peace of mind in those crisis times. So this is like emergency fund solutions which are available, and we can use them for our needs there. We all are consumers. If you look at some of these companies, whether it is Amazon or Facebook or Google, Apple, we all have been using all these companies. We all are consumers. Why not become investors? So yes, you can become investors of all these companies, and all these global companies. You can participate in the growth story of all these global companies. There are solutions, the global funds which are available through the mutual funds, and you can invest in those products, in those solutions which are offered by the mutual fund companies, and you can participate not only in the India's best companies, but the world's best companies also, and their growth story. We all know about our emotions. Every investor want to buy low and sell high, but actually the way in terms of the behavior which happen is that, okay, yes, most of the investors come at the top of the market and actually leave at the bottom of the market. So clearly, what is the solution? The solutions are the dynamic asset allocation funds in the industry, and they can offer you, because they do that work in terms of buying low and selling high. They have their models in place, and those models really help the fund managers and the fund houses to really buy low and sell high for the investors, and do exactly what the investors are looking for. And they also help in terms of the asset allocation, because these are the products which move from equity to debt depending upon the market valuations. So these are good solutions for the investors, those who are not able to do on themselves, and those who are looking at dynamic asset allocation funds, those who are looking at balance. These are called balance advantage funds also in the industry. So they really does exactly the same what the investors are looking at. They, when the valuation goes up, they reduce the equity exposure, and the valuation comes down, they increase the equity exposure. So जब equity सस्ता है So they buy more when the equity is expensive, they buy less, and therefore create wealth for the investors. So yeah, this is all like some of the very simple solutions which I have shared with you, which can help you in terms of improving your financial outcomes and can help you in terms of in your journey of financial freedom. But yeah, this is like a trailer. For the full picture, consult your Krishna, consult your advisors, and they will be able to help you achieve in your journey of financial freedom. Thank you very much.
So great, Gaurav. That was a very nice presentation. One of the things that perhaps uh, I wanted your views on: should people be using different SIPs for different goals,
So,
or should it be, say, let's say, कि 1 लाख का SIP है, and
yeah.
yeah, which is have one single SIP which looks at all your long-term needs, uh, subsumes all your needs, and then you have different. What would you recommend?
So means if you look at and I would say that okay, you have some major goals. So for your near term, medium term, and long term goals, I think if you can bucket it, in those buckets and do an SIP, because when you look at your near term goals, maybe your the product would be completely different in terms of the solution will be different. From a medium term goal, your solution will be different, and from a long term goal, it will be different. So I think maybe three, four, five major goals, and then you can actually match with you know respective products and solutions with that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Gaurav. You're full of insights. That was very useful. The way you said, how can people overcome market volatility, their own emotions, how they can discipline themselves. Very good points that you made, and I'm sure all our audience has benefited from that. So, thank you, Gaurav.